Hi, Ma'am Lou.
In-upload na.
What's your Christmas wish?
I wish that the whole world will be at peace.
Very good. Hi. What's your wish?
Sino?
What's your Christmas wish?
Ah, Christmas
It's
song.
video.
My Christmas wish is to graduate.
To graduate. How about you, Doc?
Same, tsaka true love. Ay,
True lang, atake. Carly. What's your Christmas wish?
Pumayak.
Pumayat. How about you? What is your Christmas wish? Him.
dahil ano, late.
What
ano,
is
late
your
sabihin.
Christmas wish?
Wish material.
Eh, kahit ano.
Ano?
Anything.
Shoes?
What kind of shoe that? Okay, what else?
Yung shoes naman po, Dok. Heels. Oh.
Lahat sila dito, love, ito, material things, ha?
Kung material.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, Doc. What's your Christmas wish?
My Christmas is for Darwin to know molecular biology.
It will take 100 years. Doc Je,
I don't
what's
have
your,
permission
Chris-
daw.
what's your Christmas wish?
World peace.
Dapat specific, Doc.
Oh,
Salary increase.
sobra na yan.
Oo nga. Doc Roddy, what's your Christmas wish?
Kanina yun.
World peace din.
Dapat specific, Doc.
Dapat specific.
Oo.
Ang specific na wish ko is good health for my family.
Yay! Hi, ma'am.